Hey everybody, today's a new day. Welcome back to the Nico Brothers. We're gonna work on this Mustang. Let's talk about what we have going on.
Alright guys, so we got the bumper finally from the dealer. So we're gonna sand it down, or we're gonna scuff it and get it ready for paint. We're gonna get the hood sanded down and get it ready for paint. Then we're gonna put the fenders on it. And we're actually gonna paint the whole car except the roof and the trunk. It just looks like somebody tried to buff it before and it just sanded down. You can't really see it in the camera. You can try maybe, but it doesn't have that gloss to it anymore. So we're just gonna do a blend on the door anyways. So we're just gonna re-clear the quarter panel, maybe put some paint on it. Alright guys, we got the bumper inside the paint booth, we got the hood, the rocker moldings, and the rear bumper. So let's get it painted. Alright guys, the sealer went on really good. Came out really nice on the bumper. A little bit on the hood. On the back spoiler bumper thing. And the side skirts. So now we're ready for the paint.
Alright, so we gotta do to get ready for paint. We're gonna go ahead and take the mirror off, door handle, little trim molding. Probably go ahead and take the trunk off. We'll see how it goes.
Alright guys, we got the front bumper painted, we got the rear bumper painted, we got the hood painted, and the side skirts. Now we gotta sand down the car and get it ready for the paint. Alright, the fender is all sanded down, and then we scuffed the door and the rear quarter panel and the other side. So now the new paint and clear will stick to it really good. So let's get the car in the paint booth. Alright guys, I got it all taped up. Came out pretty nice. Alright guys, I just finished up. I got the paint on there, I got the clear on there, we got 2 coats, and it turned out really nice. So guys, if you guys like this video, give us a like, leave us a comment, and subscribe.
Hey everybody, so it's the time that we all been waiting for. We're gonna announce our winner. Alright, so we just went to random number generator and we're gonna look at our comments. We have a total of 139, so we'll just type that in. So how we're gonna do it is we're gonna just hit the number and whatever it is, we'll count from the bottom up, and whoever's number it is, they're the winner.
Alright guys, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
101. 101's our winner. Alright, so looking on this side, from the bottom. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. This guy won.
He won.
Mass Churras, congrats bro, you won. You've been watching from the beginning. Well, that's great. I'm happy. Now you get to sign, alright.
I'll send you an email.
Congratulations.